Hello everyone. I'm Chun-Ming Liu. The topic I want to present today is efficient harvesting of Japanese blue honeysuckle. This is the outline of my presentation. The first one is introduction, and next is material and method, and the third is result and discussion. Finally is the summary and conclusions. First is introduction. The object in this paper is Japanese blue honeysuckle. It is a fruit likely to a blueberry, and it also has another name called heskip, and it has highly nutrition in it, and it is very easy to cultivate. Although this kind of fruit is very easy to cultivate, it has a very delicate peel, so that due to this reason, we cannot harvest them by large mechanized harvester, so that we have to find a way to harvest them. In conventional, due to the delicate peel, we only can harvest them by hand, but it is very slow. So in order to speed up the process, this paper mentioned 3 methods to solve this problem. All of them have 3 parts. The 3 parts is separating and collecting and cleaning. Separating is the action which can separate the fruit from the tree, and collecting is the way to gather the fruit together, and finally the cleaning is the way which can rigid the foreign material away. This is the first method. This method is mentioned in 2008. The first method, the way of separating the casket is called picking and dropping, and this method is still by both hands. The collecting way is using the modified umbrella, which can collect the falling caskets. And the cleaning way is sieving with the net in water. Sieving the net in the water, just like the picture shows. With the water in a bucket which has net in it, so it can let user to sieve casket with net in water. The bigger foreign material will stop by the first net, just like the picture. The casket and some smaller foreign material will fall off the trap, and then the casket will stop by the second layer, and after all, the small foreign material will fall off the bottom, so that we can get the casket berries. The second method is bring out in 2009. In this method, the separating way is displayed by a striking branch with pipe, not in bare hand. The speed of it is increasing, and furthermore, except the speed, this way also has a benefit. That is, it can separate the mature caskets, because only the mature caskets will fall off the tree. In collecting, it changed to use the plastic net to catch the caskets, and in cleaning way, it utilized an electric fan to blow the gaskets. Because of the difference of its density, it can help us to remove the foreign object by the airflow, just like your picture. We can receive the berries and that method. The third method is mentioned in 2010. In separating, it used jigsaw to vibrate the tree, so the berries will fall off, and it can separate caskets more quickly and more completely. And in collecting, it used a portable top to catch caskets because it is more convenient to set up the top and take apart them when it is finished. In cleaning part, the electric fan is still adopted in this method. The following is result and discussion. This is the compare of the conventional way and these three methods. The separating and collecting way is shown on this slide, and then we can notice that the rate is become more and more better, especially in method 3. By using jigsaw and portable top, the rate even achieved almost 20 kilograms per hour. Compare all of the steps rate, including the separating, collecting and cleaning. We can see that the total harvesting rate is reached to 10 kilograms per hour. That is the summaries and conclusion. Compare all of these methods. The paper demonstrated that the third method can enhance the harvesting efficiency by 7 times of the conventional method. However, the author mentioned that there is a disadvantage in this method. That is, during the separating stage, large but unripe caskets can sometimes fall off as well. It is difficult to separate them. So the author plans to add an RGB grading system in the future so that they can strengthen the harvest processing better in the future. Okay, thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Any questions or comments? That's all.
Thank you for your presentation. And I want to ask the method to get fence. And is this fruit hard enough that because you drop it down in a high degree, will it broken or something?
Although the peel is delicate, but I think this kind of force can be bared. It cannot bear the force with the mechanical force. Just like this, I think it can work.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Can you see the slide of the compare figure? This table. The method 2 and the method 3. The cleaning method are both flowing with the electric fan, but the cleaning rates are different, 15 and 22. So what caused this difference?
I think it's the way of separating is different because I think striking with the plastic pipe will cause more foreign material. So to cleaning to the cleaning way, it will waste more times, I think.
the third method, they use the vibration and all the things falling down on the catching prop. So I think maybe the foreign body in method 3 is much more than the second one. Because the striking pipe, as in the figure you showed before, the electric, when the fruit falling, they maybe due to the different weight, they can going down into different area. But the method 3, they are all on the same cover. So that's very strange.
Can you give some comments?
I don't know, sorry.
Nicholas.
Thank you for the presentation. I want to know for the first method of 2008. I don't really understand why when you use the modified umbrella. So can you explain why you need to modify umbrella to collect?
Can you say that again? Repeat, sorry.
I mean, in the first method, I don't understand why you use modified umbrella to collect.
Do you mean why we use the modified umbrella?
Yeah, why using a modified umbrella?
Because they think the umbrella is more easy to take apart, so it use umbrella. But the collecting rate is not good, so it changed it to the other ways.
Okay, thank you.
I saw it. Okay.
I want to ask, you didn't mention the price of each method. Can you tell me which is the most expensive one and the cheaper one?
Thank you. Expensive one is method 3 because it needs a jigsaw. But the paper said the jigsaw to the farmer is not that expensive, so they think they can afford it.
Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. I want to ask, did they mention about the dimension of fruit?
What?
To damage, like if you the fall down and the fruit will break off.
No. And, this kind of the force can be beared by the peel. Yes.
All right. Any questions or comments from Japan?
Thank you for the presentation. So this is not my question. Just I took one message from your presentation. That is, only the high technology cannot solve the problem effectively, but sometimes the technique can work. Thank you. Sometimes the good technique can also be effective to solve the problem.
Can you repeat? Sorry. Repeat again.
Actually, this is my comments about the techniques mentioned in the paper. I mean, the simple technique sometimes works very good to solve the problem.
Yes.
Okay, any more comments or questions from Japan?
Thank you for your presentation. My question is, when you're harvesting and you the method 2, I think, where you move the branch, is there any mechanical damage on the branch or something?
We have to control the strength to the strength to striking the branch. So I think it will not cause a big damage to the branch. We have to control the force.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any more questions or comments from Japan? If not, it concludes if not, it concludes the presentations from Taiwan. Now the turn from Kyoto University.
Yeah, so let's move to Kyoto University. Thank you very much.
Thank you.